Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the formatting tags in HTML. These tags are used to give formatting effects to the text in a web page. In this video, I will discuss about the four important formatting tags: bold, italics, underline and strike through. So let's see how do you design it. This is the HTML page already I have created. Now I am writing a sentence Now I am writing just one line. It is the time of learning HTML. This line, but using formatting tag, we can change the appearance of this line. First of all, I am telling about the bold tag, means BR tag. Using this tag, we can display the text in bold. Just B tag. Suppose I want to make just HTML word, this word only, make bold. So I am writing B. This is the starting tag and ending tag here. This is container element, so you have to write starting and ending tag both. Just I am putting here. So let's see now output. See, so this, it is the time of HTML, it is the time of learning HTML, and now HTML is in bold. Okay, so using, so without bold means without BR tag, what will be the output? Let's check also this output. Suppose without BR tag, this is the normal text, and see, now it is not in bold, it is normal text, and when we put the B tag, so it will be in bold. This time putting B. Okay, then again see the output. See, now it is in bold. So when we want to write any letter, any word in bold, then just you have to write like this: starting tag and ending tag. You have to write at the before this word, which word you want to bold, you want to make bold, and end tag you have to place just after this word. Okay, now I am telling about the italic tag. Italic means I tag. Suppose I am putting here time of learning. This three words I want to make in italic style. So I tag I have to place here, and ending tag I have to place here. I want to give this style only these three letters, sorry, these three words. That's why I have to put for starting tag at just before this word, and I have to put the ending tag just after this word, which word you want to give next, you want to give the style. Okay, then save and check the output. See, time of learning this word in just in italic style. Okay, I think it is very small in so this is our output. And then next is the underline tag. Suppose I want to underline the whole sentence. So this is the starting point of the sentence and this is the ending point of the sentence. So just put the U tag, means underline tag, here, and you have to put the ending tag okay. So now check the output. See, the whole sentence in underline. Okay, so in this way we can give bold, italic and underline style in any sentence. Then this is suppose, okay, just I am writing normal line, means without any style, as same as previous. Then I am using the strike through tag in the HTML part. Okay, strike through tag is used to make is used to strike a line through the middle of the text. That means you have to write strike, this is the strike through tag, and then it is also container element, so you have to write starting and ending tag both. So this is in this way we can write strike through tag, and then let's check the output. See, this is the normal line, no any bold, italic, underline style, but HTML, see properly the HTML tag in the HTML word, and middle of this word a line. Okay, so it is the strike through tag. Using this tag we can use a line through the middle of the text. This is the strike through tag. Okay, so this 4 formatting tags we have explained, I have explained today. Okay, and next video for next topic. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.